Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is another video I'm taking you through of a Toyota Land Cruiser V8 1UR, a 2014 model. So I will take you through a quick interior review of this car and take you through the registrations of this vehicle. So this Land Cruiser V8 is powered by a 5.7 liter engine, a V8 engine that produces 381 horsepower. It comes with a standard 4-wheel drive and 8-speed automatic transmission. So I'll take you through the registrations of this vehicle and the chassis number, the engine number, and the VIN plate locations. So in this car, the chassis number is located on the right hand frame next to the front wheel, as you can see over there. That is the chassis number. You can see it is located on the right hand frame next to the front wheel. While the engine number, let me open it so I can show you the engine number location. So in this vehicle, the engine number is located on the left hand side, just below the exhaust manifold. So let me show you. Left hand side, just below the exhaust manifold. There you go. You can see down there. That is the engine number below the exhaust manifold. That is it. While the VIN plate is located on the front passenger car pillar, as you can see. That is the VIN plate you are seeing over here on the front passenger car pillar. And that's it about V8 2014 model. And thank you guys for subscribing.